Mastering Lighting for Photo and Videography, an Ultimate Guide. Welcome to Visual Wizard. In this lesson, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects. Ordinary, break down the essentials, techniques, and advanced tips to make your lighting game unbeatable. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the basics of lighting. Before diving into techniques, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of direct or diffused. Artificial light. Light sources, such as lamps, create sharp, well-defined shadows. Soft light, measured in Kelvin, K, it defines the color of the light. Warm light, 2000 K, 3500 K. Yellow to orange hues. Neutral light, 3500 K, 5000 K. Pure white light. Cool light, 5000 K, 6500 K. Bluish hues. 2. Key lighting techniques. A. Three-point lighting, a foundational technique used in both photography and videography. Key light, the main light source placed at a 45-degree angle from the subject. Fill light, fills in the shadows created by the key light, placed on the opposite side. Backlight, separates the subject from the background, placed behind the subject. B. Rembrandt lighting creates a dramatic effect with a triangle of light on the subject's cheek, using a single light source and a reflector. C. Split lighting. The subject is lit from one side, creating a strong contrast and dramatic look. D. Butterfly lighting position, the light directly above and in front of the subject, casting a butterfly-shaped shadow under the nose. 3. Advanced lighting techniques. A. High-key and low-key lighting. High-key, bright and even lighting with minimal shadows, often used in fashion and beauty photography. Low-key, predominantly dark tones with high contrast, used for moody and dramatic effects. B. Chiaroscuro lighting, an artistic technique that uses stark contrast between light and dark, creating a sense of volume and depth. C. Color gels and filters, using color gels and filters to change the color of your lights, adding mood and atmosphere to your scenes. 4. Practical lighting tips. A. Using reflectors and diffusers. Reflectors, bounce light to fill in shadows. Diffusers, soften the light for a more flattering effect. B. DIY lighting hacks. Household items, use white bed sheets as diffusers or aluminum foil as reflectors. Smartphone lights, utilize your phone's flashlight with colored cellophane for creative effects. C. Managing natural light. Golden hour, the hour after sunrise and before sunset, offering soft, warm light. Blue hour, the hour after sunset and before sunrise, providing cool, soft light. 5. Case studies and examples. A. Portrait photography. Indoor portraits, using window light with a reflector. Outdoor portraits, using diffusers to soften harsh sunlight. B. Product photography, creating highlights, positioning lights to create attractive highlights on products. Eliminating shadows, using multiple light sources to minimize shadows. C. Cinematic videography, mood lighting, using low-key lighting for intense scenes. Motivated lighting, ensuring light sources appear natural within the scene. 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Overexposure and underexposure. Ensure your subject is correctly exposed by balancing your light sources and using tools like histograms. B. Ignoring the background. Pay attention to how your lighting affects the background to avoid unwanted shadows or highlights. C. Improper use of color temperature. Match the color temperature of your lights to avoid unnatural color casts. 7. Tools and equipment recommendations. A. Essential lighting gear, LED panels. Versatile and adjustable light sources. Soft boxes and umbrellas for diffusing light. Ring lights, ideal for even, flattering light in portraits and vlogs. B. Budget-friendly options. Clamp lights, affordable and versatile. Smartphone accessories, clip-on LED lights and portable reflectors. 8. Creative lighting setups. A. Silhouette lighting, position your subject in front of a light source to create a striking silhouette. B. Light painting, using long exposure and moving a light to create artistic effects. C. Gobo lighting, using patterns or shapes cut into materials to project interesting shadows and textures onto your subject or background. 9. Post-processing tips for lighting. A. Adjusting exposure and contrast use software, like Lightroom or Photoshop, to fine-tune exposure and contrast for a polished look. B. Color grading. Enhance the mood of your photos or videos by adjusting the color tones to match your desired aesthetic. C. Dodging and burning. Selective lightening and darkening of specific areas to add depth and focus. Conclusion. Mastering lighting is a journey that combines technical knowledge with creativity.